Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue.
Yes, everybody, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and then I'd like to say that andrà tutto bene. Everything will be alright. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. No, I'm just kidding. How are you doing, guys? I really miss you, and I really hope that we are going to get together very soon. I miss you. And in this video, I wanted to read you a story. The title of our story is The Wizard of Oz. I like that story, and I wanted to start my video with this beautiful song. The title of the song is Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and yes, this song is sung in the movie of The Wizard of Oz. It's a very old movie, but it is beautiful. So now, guys, if you are ready, we can start our story. As you can see on the title, The Wizard of Oz. 1, 2, 3. Dorothy lives on a farm with her Aunt Em and her Uncle Henry. Look, here is Dorothy, and she lives in this house. One day, the sky goes very dark. If you look at here, it is very dark. Oh no, a storm is coming, Dorothy says. She runs to the house with her dog, Toto. Here is her dog, Toto. It is very windy. Suddenly, the house flies up into the sky. The house goes around and around in a strong wind. Woo, woo, woo. Look at the house. Dorothy is very scared. Let's hide under the bed, she says to Toto. Then the house falls down and down. Crash! Look! The house falls on the bad witch of the east. Can you see the witch here? I think so. It kills the witch. Dorothy sees the witch's legs under the house. Look at her legs. The witch has very beautiful shoes on her feet. Look at these shiny shoes, guys. You tell me, what color are the shoes? Blue, red, yellow? I don't know. Write your answer in the comment. Now, welcome to Oz. A beautiful woman says, I am the good witch of the north. If you can see, sorry, if you can see that beautiful lady, she is the good witch of the north. I want to go home, Dorothy cries. Take these shoes and find the Wizard of Oz, the good witch says. Then you can go home. But how can I find the wizard? Dorothy asks. Follow the yellow brick road. Can you see the road, guys? Yellow brick road. The good witch of the north answers. The wizard lives in the city of Oz. Dorothy takes Toto in her arms and walks down the road. Hello, the scarecrow shouts. What are you doing here? Look, here is the scarecrow. I'm looking for the Wizard of Oz, Dorothy answers. I want to be smart, the Scarecrow says. Can the wizard give me a brain? Yes, come with me, Dorothy answers. So, look at the Scarecrow and tell me what he wants to have. I don't know. You tell me, guys. Dorothy and Scarecrow go through a forest. They see a man between the trees, the Tin Man. Can you see the Tin Man? Are you okay? Dorothy asks. No, the man says. I can't move. I can't. Dorothy puts soil on the Tin Man's arms and legs. Look, she's putting some oil. I can move, the Tin Man says. What are you doing? We are looking for the Wizard of Oz. Can the wizard give me a heart? The Tin Man asks. I want to have feelings. Yes, Dorothy says. Come with us. So, guys, you tell me again, what does the Tin Man ask for? I don't know. Dorothy and her friends walk down the yellow brick road. Suddenly, the lion jumps out of the forest and roars at Toto. Wow! Roar! Don't hurt Toto! Dorothy cries. He's only small. I'm very sorry, the lion says. I'm a big coward. The lion is very sad. Now he's crying. Look at the lion. Dorothy wants to help the lion. Come with us, she says. The Wizard of Oz can give you courage. Thank you, the lion answers. I want to be brave. So, guys, again, you tell me, what does the lion ask for? I don't know. Now look at this city. Yes, the city of Oz. Dorothy, Toto, the Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the lion walk down the yellow brick road. They walk for a long time. At last they see a big green city, the city of Oz. Dorothy asks for the wizard. Can you see the wizard here? Dorothy goes into a dark room. She sees a big head. It is the Wizard of Oz. I want to go home, Dorothy says. Kill the Sorry, guys. Kill the bad witch of the West, the wizard tells her. Then you can go home. Dorothy and her friends go to the bad witch of the West's castle. The witch puts Dorothy's friends into a room and closes the door. They can't leave. You have to work for me now. Ah, ha, 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 the witch tells Dorothy. Look at the witch. Is she a good person or a bad person? You tell me. Dorothy has to wash the floors. The witch sees Dorothy's shoes and wants them. Can you see? The witch puts her hand on a shoe. Dorothy throws water at the witch, and the witch gets smaller and smaller. Hooray! The witch is dead. Dorothy and her friends are happy. They go to Oz again. They look for the wizard, but where is he? Yes, he is here. Who is the small man? I'm the wizard, the small man says. I arrived here many years ago in my balloon. Can you see his balloon? I wanted to help Oz, the wizard says. Now the bad witches are dead. I can go home. Thank you. The wizard gives a brain to the scarecrow. Can you see the brain and the scarecrow? A heart to the Tin Man. Heart, Tin Man. And courage to the lion. If you can see, guys, they are all happy. I'm leaving now, the wizard says. Dorothy, I can take you home. Dorothy says goodbye to her friends. She gets into the balloon, but Toto jumps from her arms. Look at Toto. Dorothy jumps out of the balloon. She has to find Toto. Dorothy finds Toto, but how can she go home now? Go and see the Good Witch of the South, a man says. She can help you. Dorothy and her friends go to the Good Witch's castle. Look at this beautiful house. Yes, it is a castle. Click your shoes 3 times, the Good Witch of the South says. Then you can go home. Dorothy clicks her shoes. 1, 2, 3 times. Goodbye, my friends, she shouts. Whoosh! Dorothy goes around and around and arrives back at the farm with Toto. Aunt Em and Uncle Henry, Aunt Em here, Uncle Henry here, run to Dorothy and hold her in their arms. Dorothy is very happy. At last she's at home with her family. The end. I hope that you enjoyed that story, guys. With the video, I'm going to send you some activities to do. Please stay tuned. I'm going to send you new videos. Goodbye.